The DJI Spreading Wings S900 is no longer in production. It was originally released in 2014, and I was introduced to this platform by Roman Molla of FlyWorx. In fact, it was Roman who helped me get started in my education of drone technology. He had purchased this platform hoping to get into the movie and television business, and it was a great platform for using. However, it was a little bit expensive to outfit. The maximum flight time was more like 9 minutes, not the 18 minutes they advertised, and the off-market batteries were $250 a piece. And actually, you really didn't know how much flight time you'd get with them. I went to work with FlyWorx for free in 2016. I wanted to learn the business from the inside of a growing company. I remember my first day working with Roman. We were in the production office of Sony Studios, and after he had accepted to work on a television pilot, I was just sitting in the room just thinking to myself, wow, once in a lifetime. That's when the director turned to me and asked me if we could do what he was asking. Caught completely off guard and scared to death, I looked him in the eye and I said, if you can dream it, we can do it. Now you can't buy this drone anymore, but you can still find the spare parts online.